Welcome back to the channel, folks. As you can see, we've got some dog hair, typical, and we got two 5-inch MBRP turbo back straight pipe kits we're going to be installing on my 2001 Dodge 3500 and my buddy's 03 Dodge 2500. So we'll get them knocked out and we'll get this stuff in action. Stay tuned. So, as you guys have seen, I have MBRP 5-inch or an 03 to 04. Well, I got a buddy, he's got a 03 or an 04. So we're gonna do it upright. I'm pretty sure his is all stock still, so. But it's a 4-door long bed. We'll get it taken care of. Here it is stock. She's quiet. You wouldn't even think it was a diesel. I think it's all stock though. Oh yeah. The muffler is doing its job. We'll get her taken care of. A little 5-inch treatment. So here we are driving in this thing. It's quiet as a mouse. But yeah, it just, you don't hear nothing other than me running my mouth. So just do a quick little driving in it and then do a before and after. That way you guys get to see the difference. Roll this window down. You get a lot of wind noise, but you can't even hear this thing. She's quiet. Well, we'll go ahead and change that. I don't think it's going to get too much louder, but we'll see. So here it is. Once again, it's an all stock 03. Pretty rare to find one of these things completely stock, unmolested. So here it is. We'll get her, I guess we'll be the first ones to do something to it. Change out the pipes on her. But how many miles are on her?
285.
It's not bad. Any issues with it?
I did have to do a transmission repair. The blend air door from fresh air to recirculating, it broke off, so I just pulled it out.
Yeah.
Outside of that, it's been about it.
All right on. Well, let's get after it. So we got the over the axle section taken out. We had to cut it because where the clamps go on the stock muffler around that pipe, they had it crimped so tight you can't get that thing to move a lick. So, but we're gonna take the down pipe loose right now, and it should be able to clear because we ain't got to go far to snake that down through there. So we got Tim taking that V-band off while I supervise.
Doing a great job too, Mike.
But yeah, coming loose real nice. He put some penetrating oil, some of that liquid wrench on there. Good stuff. So she came out in 2 pieces. Took a little assistance from the old saw, but we got her out, got the downpipe out, stock muffler and the midsection out. And I guess we'll go ahead and slap the new downpipe in and new midsection and wrap this thing up. out with the old and in with the new. We just gotta put the hangers on, tighten up the clamps, but we got our rear section, mid section, all the way up front, new downpipe, but we'll get all these clamps put on, all these hangers, well the clamps are already on, but we'll get all the hangers put on and all the grommets and wrap it up. So we got this thing wrapped up. I didn't check the time when we started, but I couldn't imagine it took more than about 2.5 hours. But got the downpipe in. The entire midsection is in. All the hangers are where they should be. And we got the pipe here on the back. So looks good. I'm gonna start this thing up and see how she sounds. Oh yeah. Sound good. A lot different than it was. What do you think?
Man, that's nice. I might be in trouble when I get home, but it's nice.
That's a day and night difference. How she sounds. That thing sounds good. So like I said, I accidentally ordered that exhaust and I'm glad I could help my buddy out, and now he just went from all stock truck to a new straight pipe on her, and it sounds good. That'll help. Hey, you got a camper. I pull a camper with that thing too, so that'll definitely help him with them EGTs, but I think it sounds good. I mean, I think all trucks, sorry, not all trucks, but all diesels, they ought to come straight piped. But, oh yeah. Sounds good. Well, it was a very productive day. Tim's gonna get out of here and I'm gonna go in there and shower up. We got dinner tonight, so. Oh man, that sounds good. Oh yeah, that thing sounds good, man. Real good. So we got another one. I ordered the right one this time, and the other one's already sold to a feller, so no biggie there. And if you watched that last video I put out, one of the last videos, you'll see that I ordered a exhaust for this truck here, and I ordered the wrong thing. So, honest mistake. I mean, not really, because I clicked off of it on I don't know if you ever search anything on the Google for buying something and it pops up right there, a couple images, and it said 94 through 02. So I clicked on it, went to ordered it, and then after I had ordered it, it sent me the confirmation and it said it was a 03 to 04. And I was like, well, that ain't gonna work. So I tried to cancel it and they said order is already shipped within 5 minutes. But so that was just, I mean, it is what it is. That's welded in. So we'll see what we can do. Yeah, you can hear that thing rattles. Make you sick, let me tell you. Now I got the over the axle piece out, and I can't tell if that's cut or cracked. It looks cracked, but that'll do it when you take your hangers out. Don't run any hangers through the midsection and only in the back, but she's cracked right there for sure. It was going for that axle dump is what it looks like. Oh no, yeah, it's all cracked. Yikes, look at that. I didn't see that. That's good stuff. I probably attributed to that rattling I was hearing. So with a little help of some lubricant, I got both of them to break free. They was creaking and cracking. I thought for sure I was gonna snap one. I was gonna have to drill it, tap it, and put it back together, but did not break, which I'm grateful for. So we'll go ahead and snatch them out real quick. So there she is. She came out in a few pieces. Couldn't get this to come off right here. They had rounded it over. I couldn't even get a socket on there to get a size on it. So knifed it off right from there from the downpipe and snaked everything out. But yeah, this thing, boy, it's boogered up. You see in daylight through that thing. And I already cracked into this because I thought for sure I was gonna snap them downpipe bolts right there on that flange. And I wanted to see if it came with new ones, which it does, so we'll get everything put back in here and we'll be in action. We got the intake back on, new downpipe in, GoPro died, typical, but there it is. Big old long straight pipe. All the clamps on, everything looking good, everything's tight, all the way back. You can't see it because them big old wheels, well they ain't big, but them dual wheels big booty Judy's got on her. Tripping over things out here. There she is. Let's see how she sounds, shall we? So minus that cracked fender there, there's that 5-inch installed. That video last night made it look like it was kind of low, and I just kind of come out here to take a look, but it don't really seem low. But I don't know why this thing smokes so dang much. Granted, it really doesn't smoke that much at all, but has a little bit to it. It was like this when I got it. I just haven't washed it yet. But we got her all tucked up in here and super easy install. Yep. Just clamped her on down. Simple, easy. This is actually I think this is quieter than the stock stuff that was on there. So that's a plus. No drone in cab. Sounds good for what it is.